Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best princess dress is probably one of the most magical and enchanting pieces of clothing a young child can own, sparking imagination and bringing fairy tale dreams to life with every twirl and every smile, making it an essential addition to any child's wardrobe for playtime adventures and special occasions alike. Number 5. Princess Tent Girl's Large Playhouse Castle Play Tent. Bring fairy tales to life with this enchanting castle play tent. It's the perfect secret hideaway for your child's imagination to soar. Generously sized at 55 by 53 inches, it comfortably fits up to 3 children. Made from durable, easy-to-clean polyester taffeta for lasting fun. Looking for an amazing present? This adorable playhouse offers a private space for kids to play, read, and relax, making it an unforgettable gift. Ideal for any setting, it's perfect for use at home, in the backyard, or at the park. Let the adventures begin anywhere. As a special bonus, it comes with charming star lights to add a touch of magic to their play space. Everything you need for instant fun is included. What we like? This spacious play tent brings fairy tales to life with its enchanting castle design. It offers a private space for multiple children to play, read, or relax. If you're looking for a durable and easy-to-clean play area that can be used both inside and out, this is a fantastic choice for sparking imaginative adventures. What people say. This is a very beautiful dress, and the quality is good. The dress is made of soft material and is very comfortable to wear. It is a perfect dress for parties and special occasions. Number 4. Disney Princess Necklace Activity Case by Terra Toys. Unleash your inner fashion designer. This kit lets you create beautiful, custom necklaces inspired by your favorite Disney princesses. Get ready for some magical accessory-making fun. Adorn your creations with charms of beloved princesses like Belle, Ariel, and Cinderella. Each piece adds a touch of royal magic to your designs. Keep all your crafting treasures neat and tidy in the included reusable carry case. It's perfect for taking your creativity on the go or for easy cleanup. This hands-on activity is wonderful for developing fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and self-expression. Watch their confidence grow with every piece they create. Looking for a fun and creative gift? This craft kit is an ideal surprise for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for young Disney princess fans aged 3 and up. With plenty of beads, charms, and colorful strings, you can design and make up to 5 unique princess necklaces. Let your imagination shine. What we like? Unleash your child's inner designer with this creative jewelry-making kit. It features beloved Disney princesses and all the supplies needed to create unique necklaces. If your child loves Disney princesses and enjoys hands-on crafting that encourages creativity and fine motor skills, this portable kit is perfect for them. What people say. The dress is beautiful and well-made, with intricate details. The fabric is soft and comfortable, perfect for sensitive skin. It fits true to size and is easy to put on and take off. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Created by Me. Princess Wand Craft Kit. Get ready to create your very own magical princess wand. This kit provides everything you need to design a sparkling accessory for endless imaginative play. Decorate your wand with vibrant paints, dazzling gems, and shimmering glitter. Then, use your creation for solo performances, princess parades, and enchanting make-believe adventures. This whimsical kit comes with a wooden wand, colorful paints, glitter glues, gem stickers, ribbons, and even a child-safe mirror. It's all here for hours of dress-up fun. Engage in open-ended play that boosts fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and creative expression. It's a hands-on art activity that encourages learning through play. Looking for a special gift? This craft kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. Celebrate special moments with a toy that sparks joy and imagination. For over 35 years, Melissa and Doug has been dedicated to inspiring kid-powered play. Our toys encourage creativity, learning, and endless fun for children of all ages. What we like? Let your little one's imagination soar with this wooden princess wand craft kit. It provides everything needed to paint, decorate, and personalize a magical wand for endless pretend play. If you're seeking an engaging, screen-free activity that fosters creativity and fine motor skills, this kit is ideal for dress-up and imaginative adventures. What people say. The dress is made of soft, comfortable material that doesn't irritate the skin. It features intricate embroidery and sparkling sequins that add a touch of elegance. The design includes a full, twirly skirt perfect for dancing and playing. Number 2. Playz 5PC Princess Castle Play Tent. Step into a world of magic with this enchanting Princess Castle Play Tent. It's designed to spark joy and imagination for your little ones. Watch as the stars and hearts on this tent magically glow in the dark, creating a whimsical atmosphere for indoor adventures. This magical bundle includes everything your child needs for royal playtime: a castle tent, wings, tiara, wand, and a beautiful tutu skirt. Setting up this playhouse is a breeze. It pops up in seconds, requiring no tools or batteries, so the fun can start right away. Crafted with soft, safe fabric, breathable mesh, and padded poles, it meets all USA toy safety standards for worry-free play. This tent is perfect for encouraging imaginative play, creativity, and active social interaction. It's an ideal spot for dress-up, reading, or just dreaming. With enough space for 2 to 3 children, this playhouse tent is perfect for bedrooms or small yards, making it a wonderful gift for any young girl. What we like? This magical pink castle tent comes with a complete princess costume bundle, including wings, a tiara, and a tutu. It features glow-in-the-dark stars for added enchantment and sets up in seconds. If you want an instant princess transformation and a fun, imaginative play space that encourages dress-up and creativity, this all-in-one set is a wonderful option. What people say. The dress is made of soft material and the glitter doesn't fall off. The dress is beautiful and the details are amazing. My daughter loved the dress and wore it all day. Number 1. Diamond Magnetic Building Blocks Princess Castle. Let your child's creativity soar as they build a magical princess castle world. This set encourages imaginative play with princes, princesses, and their enchanting kingdom. Crafted from safe, food-grade ABS plastic, these durable magnetic tiles feature doors, windows, and stairs. Your child can safely construct their own winter castle and kingdom. This versatile set is compatible with other magnetic tile kits, making it perfect for expanding their collection. It's ideal for home, road trips, or playdates at the park. These educational tiles foster STEAM learning, developing fine motor skills, spatial awareness, and problem-solving abilities. They encourage creativity and social interaction through building and storytelling. Looking for the perfect gift? This is a fun and educational present for birthdays, Christmas, or any holiday. It's ideal for children aged 3 to 8 who love princess castles and building. Watch as their imagination comes to life. These magnetic blocks provide endless opportunities for creative play and storytelling, making learning an adventure. What we like? Build a sparkling princess castle world with these magnetic building blocks. The set includes doors, windows, and stairs, encouraging creativity and spatial awareness. If you're looking for an educational toy that combines STEM learning with imaginative play, allowing children to construct their own kingdoms and stories, this compatible magnetic tile set is an excellent choice. What people say. The dress is beautiful and well-made, with intricate details on the bodice and skirt. The fabric is soft and comfortable, perfect for a child to wear for extended periods. It comes with a matching tiara and wand, completing the princess look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.